I'm Jen McDonald, principal, proud principal of Prairie Creek Intermediate 5th and 6th grade here at College Community Schools. I am here to welcome you to a community open house on September 14th from 5 to 7, where we get to celebrate this beautiful learning space made specifically for 10 and 11-year-olds. It's a place that we are treasuring here as we get started this year and want to celebrate with our community who has supported us through this venture. It's been an amazing experience, and please come check this out with us. September 14th, 5 to 7.
Hi, I'm Mr. Smith. I teach 5th grade here at Prairie Creek. We hope we see you September 14th to tour this awesome building. We want to thank our community for the opportunity and hope to see you in September.
Hey everyone, I'm Nicole. I'm the custodial supervisor for Prairie Creek. We want you to come join us for the open house on September 14th from 5 to 7 and join us on all these wonderful spaces. This facility is amazing.